Welcome back to the channel, where we help you discover the most useful and unique products to upgrade your everyday life. Whether you're into tech, tools, or home gadgets, you're about to see 5 must-have items that are functional, affordable, and surprisingly cool. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Arc Plasma Lighter. This isn't your average lighter. The Zorro F12 waterproof USB plasma lighter is flameless, windproof, and built tough for the outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just lighting a cigarette, this dual arc lighter works effortlessly in any condition, rain or shine. It's USB rechargeable, meaning no need for fuel refills. Just plug it in and go. The waterproof shell and metal construction make it reliable in emergencies and perfect for survival kits. No harmful chemicals, no gas leaks, just clean electric arcs that work every time. It's also a great gift for men who love gadgets and outdoor gear. Number 4, Blade Scraper Tool. If you've ever struggled to remove stickers, caulk, paint, or glue from surfaces, this razor blade scraper tool is your new best friend. It's designed with both metal and plastic blades, making it safe for delicate surfaces like glass, stovetops, and tiles, while still being tough enough to tackle hard jobs. Made from strong injection-molded plastic, it's resistant to chemicals and solvents. The ergonomic handle provides excellent grip and control, helping you remove debris quickly without strain. Plus, the double-edged blade system ensures you always have the right option on hand. The included safety cap protects you from accidental cuts when not in use. Number 3, Digital Tape Measure. The Deli Tools digital measuring tape is perfect for anyone who wants accurate measurements with convenience. Whether you're into woodworking, DIY home projects, or just need to measure furniture spacing, this stainless steel tape extends up to 5 meters and retracts smoothly. Its compact, lightweight design makes it super portable, and its durable construction ensures long-term use. Even without complex functions, it gives you the reliable, accurate numbers you need on the spot. A solid pick for your toolbox or workshop. Number 2, Touch Sensor Switch. Now this is futuristic. This dimmable wooden touch sensor switch brings modern convenience to your smart home setup. It works with DC voltage between 3.7 volts to 24 volts and supports up to 3 amp current, making it perfect for LED strip lighting control. What makes it unique? It senses touch even through non-metallic surfaces like wood, glass, acrylic, and plastic. The long touch feature allows you to dim the light, while short touches turn it on or off. No external switches, no clutter, just a seamless, clean look with hidden touch functionality. Whether it's for your bedroom, kitchen, or workspace, this little device adds big convenience. Number 1, White Mousepad. Simple but essential, this white portable gaming mousepad doubles as a waterproof, non-slip desk mat. Made from premium PU suede leather, it protects your desk surface while offering smooth gliding for your mouse. Ideal for both work and gaming. It's large enough to fit both your keyboard and mouse, making your setup clean and organized. The non-slip base ensures it stays in place, no matter how intense your sessions get. It's a minimalistic upgrade that makes a huge difference in comfort and productivity. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.